If I'm at a particularly stressful part in my life or I've had a bad day, I do notice that when I'm trying to get off to sleep, my tinnitus does come back and I do start to notice it.
I find the way of ignoring tinnitus is by going out, doing things that are active, not too active at my age, but I relax going out on the bike. And when you're putting effort in and doing other things, the brain is otherwise occupied, not thinking of your tinnitus.
When I first developed tinnitus, I did try homeopathy, which it didn't really make much of a difference. The biggest thing that helped was meditation. And at the beginning, I would meditate for about 2 hours every night, and it really helped.
We've got a seafront where I live, which is a few miles long, and then we've got a park, so I can go out for a couple of hours a time, do 8 miles, 10 miles.
Being more relaxed does help with tinnitus because, like any other chronic condition, the more stressed you are, the more it's going to be a problem. That being said, I completed a whole PhD with tinnitus and I never once had a relapse. It kept at a constantly improved state. So I think that once you learn how to live with it, you have the tools that you need to manage it.